A Japanese warship sailed through the Taiwan Strait between Taiwan and China for the first time, according to reports in Japanese media. The JS Sajanami, a naval destroyer, passed through the strait from north to south on Wednesday, accompanied by ships from Australia and New Zealand. The vessel was on its way to take part in military exercises in the South China Sea. Japanese ministers were quoted as saying, "This would be a significant move by Japan, which is thought to have avoided sailing its ships through the strait in order not to upset China, which claims self-governed Taiwan and the strait." Neither Japan, Taiwan or China has commented officially on the passage. Chinese state newspaper Global Times, citing an unnamed source, said the Chinese military conducted tracking and monitoring throughout entire course and had the situation under control. There has been an increase in patrols by the US and its allies to assert their freedom of navigation in the 182-kilometer Taiwan Strait. Both the US and Taiwan say it is a key shipping and trade route through which about half of the global container fleet passes, and is part of international waters and is open to all naval vessels. For more updates, subscribe to Voice of Article.